Beach Boys. We down here ready to go, baby. Same shit, new day. Sunday stroll. You know I'm going ahead and get it in. Motherfucking 20 miles, baby. Here we go. Push, 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 push. Always. Here we go, folks. We're here. And it feels fucking good, baby. I'm out. Pushing against the wind. I haven't done a bike ride in a minute. So I'm cracking right now. Whew. Your boy's huffing and puffing. Let's keep it moving. Here we are, baby. This is what I get to see every single day. Same shit, different day. Come on. Unlimited blessings forever. I can't stop. I won't stop. I am light. I am love. I am laughter. I am complete and utter abundance. All that's ahead of me is open road, and I have no idea what's behind me because rockets have no rear view. Like every other day, here I am on the edge of destiny. Only thing in front of me is wide open. Only thing stopping me is myself. Now it's time to go. Now is the time. Back in the middle of my friggin' bike ride, I've been thinking about millions and millions and millions. I haven't been able to fucking sleep. And guess what happens, baby? I've been thinking about helicopters, big boy jets. I've been thinking about planes, trains, and everything insane. And look, here it is now. I'm rocking, boy.
They idolize.
I'll take 2 of these. You know what I'm saying? Get one of those. A little extra action with the boys. Come on, someone come fuck with me, dog. I need 400 grams for hitting you the back of my crib. I got some big idea that you want to hit me. Get at me. Okay? We're moving. Big Rari boys, come on. Here we are, baby, at the jetty. What a day. I'm loving it right now, like McDonald's, baby. Life is fucking blessings. Beautiful. Thank you for everything. And you know, wherever I go, I gotta find the most epic peaks, baby.